how to create a home and decor e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just click on login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. Then you click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load, and after typing your password you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating our store is choosing between these two options. So if you just need a website, you go with this one, and if you need a website with an online store, you go with the second option. So I'm going to choose the second option. Then you type a name for your store. You can always change this name later, so it doesn't matter what name you give it now. Then you click on continue. After that, you have a question and 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you. Then you do the same with this other question, and then you choose the category of the items that you will be selling, and if they are going to be about fitness and wellness, or food and drinks, or classes and events, or home and decor like our niche. So let's see if we can find something related to that niche. So here we have home and living. So yeah, I'm going with home and living. And if you can't find your category in here, you just click on other, then you click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you give the address. If not, you just skip this step and you give them a few seconds to build your store. So just be patient. And here it is. This is the dashboard of our store. So here we have the overview, as you can see, and in your right you have the edit site button, and also you have the design now button. It's the same, it does the same job like the edit site. And here we have in your left you have some sections, and I'm going to explain these sections first, then I'm going to proceed to the editing phase. So let's start with website, and it's where you can edit your site. Also, it's the same thing as the edit site button in here. And then you have the domains if you want to set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items, and it's where you have the site's items, site categories, options, and by items we mean products. If you want to set your products or create new ones, you can do that in this place, which is the site items. If you want to set categories for those products, you go to site categories, and here you have the options, coupons, gift cards, and so on. Let's close this one. Then we have the orders section, and it's where you can check your orders, change them, cancel them, or set the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment, and it's where you can set up your pickups and the shipping settings. Then we have the reports. It's where you can check all the reports of your store. You can see the summary from here, and if you want to see each one separated, you can just go through them right in here, starting from the site traffic and so on. Then we have the marketing section, and it's where you can find everything related to growing your audience, from the summary to the email, automated ads, and so on. So let's close this one. Then we have the communications, and that's where you can check your email and text alerts, the pop-ups, messenger, and the abandoned carts also. Then we have the settings, and that's where you can change the general settings of your store. So just wait for it to load, and you will be able to set your company name, the address, and the email and phone number. Then you have the checkout, and it's where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or your PayPal account, or changing the country and the currency of your store. And then you have the sales taxes and the units, and it's where you can change the site's languages or set your units right in here, or edit the ones that you already have. So that's it for these sections. Let's proceed to the overview to proceed to the editing phase. So just click on edit site and give it a few seconds to load. Then you will be able to edit your site. So just be patient with it, guys. So just ignore this one. And the first thing you need to do is choosing the style of your site. So here just choose the one that fits you. You can always change the style later, so it doesn't matter the one you choose now. So I'm just going to choose the first one, which is pretty basic. Then you click on hide styles to see if it fits your store, and then click on apply site styles, and here you have the site design. If you want to change the site styles, you can do that in here. If you want to set your logo, change the colors, change the fonts, so change the fonts from Enter to Comforter. And if you want to change the base font size and scale, you can do that in these ones. You can change the font styles, the headlines, the weight if you want it to be bold or normal, line height, letter spacing, and so on. You can do that in here. When you're done, you click on done, and then you change the shape of the buttons from pill to rounded or any other shape you'd like. If you want to change the shape of the images, you can also do that, and then you click on done. After that, if you want to change the site's elements like badges, buttons, and so on, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid plan, as you can see in this upgrade button. And if you want to reset to default, you just click on this button and let's click on done. Then if you want to change the header, so just dismiss this one, click on dismiss also. And here if you want to change these pages from the header, as you can see, you can change the header in here, customize it, change the content. And also if you want to change the main banner, if you want to hide this section, you can just click on this one. Let's leave it at this, and if you want to change it, just click on it and you will be able to change it. Then you have the featured items also, and if you want to change the placement of any section, you just click on these ones and you place it the way you want. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works, so I hope I achieved that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.